So you want to know how to make money online? Stick around. I'm going to teach you how to do it. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments. And please share these videos out. Believe it or not, you can make money online with just about anything in the world. And it's so easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it on this channel. I will be breaking down different ways of doing it. I remember years ago when my kids was growing up, they would bring me something that they made in school or just made in their hobbies in the bedroom floor. And I would say, you can make money with this. It is nice. You did a good job and you can make money with it. I guess they got tired of hearing me say that, because one day my youngest daughter, she rolled her eyes at me. She says, "Daddy, you can't make money with everything." I said, "Why not?" Everything had to start somewhere. You can make money with anything. Y'all, I've been working online for 11, maybe close to 12 years now. I don't punch a time clock, and I've promised myself that I will never punch another time clock. If this sounds like something you want to do, make money online and be your own boss, please subscribe to this channel. Stick around. I'll be breaking down a lot of ways you can make money online. And I will help you along the way. Whatever your hobbies are, you can turn into a full-time income. Maybe you like to cook. Maybe you like to clean house. Maybe you like to give grooming tips. Maybe you like to do hair, give finance tips. You can turn it all into a full-time income online. I will teach you also how to start a YouTube channel without ever putting your face on camera. A lot of people have a problem with putting their face on camera. I will teach you how to make a very profitable YouTube channel with never putting your face on the camera. And it is so easy. This idea about getting a YouTube channel without putting your face on the camera, I'm thinking about doing the same thing myself. I will teach you how to set up your own online business, and best of all, I will show you how to set it up for free. Whoever said you had to have money to make money just wasn't doing it right. That's all I can figure out. You don't need any fancy software, any expensive equipment to do this. You don't need to know SEO, search engine optimization, and you don't need to know any marketing tactics to make this work. Y'all, I know this sounds too good to be true, but it is true. Please subscribe to my channel and I will prove to you it can be done. I do it every day. I've been doing it every day for almost 12 years. Some people may say that, well, I'm too old to start now. I say you're never too old. Did you know Colonel Sanders didn't start KFC until he was 65 years old? He started it with his first Social Security check. And look what he grew it into before he passed away. And look how it's still growing. People love those 11 herbs and spices. You could be the next Colonel Sanders, who knows? Even if you've tried before to have your own business online and failed, you owe it to yourself to try it again. It would be a shame to leave this world without having your own business if that is your lifelong dream. I'm a living testament of that. I've tried many before I got one that works. And now I got 3 that works, and I'm telling you, I don't want to brag about the numbers, but the sky's the limit. Y'all, you can do this. You can make an online business, and it's very easy. I will be telling you how to do it, how to set up your own website, how to set up your own business, the things that you need to do it. really and truly is nothing more than your computer, your webcam, the microphone that's built into your computer. My webcam on my computer and my microphone is all I use. I've got a fancy microphone, but I don't use it because it's basically garbage. It looks nice, but that's about it. Y'all, I'm going to show you how to do this. Please, every time you see one of my videos, click on it and watch it. I'm going to be breaking down all the different ways of making money online. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave your comments. And if it sounds too good to be true, I know the old saying, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. I promise you, this is too good to be true, but it is true. I'm a living testament of that. Y'all, I love you all. I wish you good luck, and I will help you through the journey. I love you all. Until the next time, please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I'll see you soon. Oh, by the way, I do make stemless videos every day, and I will continue to make those videos every day. Please check them out. But this is my regular content, how to create your own income online. I will be having these videos. I think I'm going to do it every Saturday and maybe Tuesday or so. I'm not sure about the dates yet, but please click on these videos, because YouTube is not going to be pushing these videos out because they're so much different than what I normally do on my channel. So the only way to get these videos to grow in the algorithm is to click on them, give me a thumbs up, leave your comments, and engage in these videos. Y'all, just know I do love you all. Please watch these videos coming up here. They're stemless videos right now, but in the future I will be putting how to make money videos on here. But I just don't have many of those right now because I'm just starting this. I used to do it for years and years, but those videos are old. They're not relevant no more. I want to give you relevant information that will help you today. Y'all just know I love you all, and we will build your business together. Ciao for now. Watch these videos. It helps me a lot. You see them right there? Go ahead and watch those videos.